Hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on the Saturn. It's a 2002 SC2 model, and we're going to be installing an exhaust downpipe. The back wheels are up on jack stands, and I have the front up on ramps. Once you get that out of the way, you can see where the downpipe bolts into the 3 studs of the exhaust manifold. Those are the 3 13mm nuts we have to remove. I'm holding up our new downpipe next to the old one. It starts at the manifold and ends at the exhaust hanger here. This here is the stainless steel exhaust clamp. The nut and bolt are rusted out, so I'm just going to cut it off. Now let's remove the 3 13mm nuts from the flange. All 3 nuts came off fairly easily, and we can reuse them, but if yours don't come off, or you strip them out, you can pick some up at the junkyard. These are the same exact 13mm nuts used in the exhaust manifold. The downpipe extends to the hanger, but we'll cut it a few inches forward from that point. For the cutting, I'm using a reciprocating saw that I bought from Harbor Freight. The blades are sold separately. The pipe, as you can see, rusted away right underneath the stainless steel exhaust clamp. When the hole is small, you can patch it up with an exhaust cement of some kind or a putty. I used a brand called Quick Steel, and it did a good job for a while. These patches last for about maybe a year or so, or a few months, before they flake away. It's a temporary measure. I believe Walker is the only company that makes downpipes for Saturn. I also bought an exhaust clamp and another clamp for the middle area and a gasket. One other tool you'll need at this point is an exhaust expander tool to flare the end of the downpipe. Before we bolt on the pipe, let's clean up the mating surface with a wire brush. I'm going to start these nuts by hand to prevent from cross-threading. Already I can see that this aftermarket pipe is configured differently than the OEM. It bends off to the right a few inches and comes very close to the sway bar. I'm adding JB Weld muffler cement to the overlap where our two pipes come together. This will help prevent any exhaust leakage that might occur. Okay, well, the pipe is configured strangely, but it's looking good so far, in the sense that I don't see any contact occurring between the pipe and the engine. But let's start up the engine and see how it sounds. It sounds great. It's 10 times quieter than before, and there's no leaking anywhere. Now, however, there are some bad points about this Walker downpipe that have to be mentioned. This is where the stainless steel clamps should have looped around the bracket and the pipe. The pipe veers off to the right a few inches and won't fit into the clamp the way it was designed. The pipe bolts into the manifold perfectly, and I'm not seeing any leaks there. There's maybe 2 millimeters of space between the pipe and the sway bar, but that's not vibrating, so that's good. No leaks in the back connection. Everything is firm, and I'm not hearing any vibrations anywhere. Okay, we're finished installing a Walker downpipe on this 2002 Saturn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.